It may actually be icy.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Green and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Sunday. Freezing rain and sleet. Around 1/4 inch of ice from freezing rain. A coating of sleet is possible. The areas affected include Greene County and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel will be very dangerous. Additional details. Roadways are becoming very icy and dangerous. Avoid all unnecessary travel. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. This is a statement from